Hi guys! So finally it's December 1! It's the first day of our Vlogmas today. And all we're ever gonna do today is to prepare. Prepare for Christmas and prepare for the next Vlogmas videos that I will do. So I'm gonna prepare for my Vlogmas day 2, day 3, and many more. I don't know if this vlog will be boring because all I will ever do is prepare. So let's see if it's gonna be boring. But please watch my next Vlogmas video because I have so much in store for you guys, and I don't know, maybe this video would turn out great. So let's see ya.
Merry little Christmas.
Now I'm looking for tutorials because I forgot to make my Vlogmas intro.
Santa, tell me if you're
Look at my white Christmas! Oh, hi! Hey! Camera shy! Camera shy ka ba, be? Tingin ka dito. Tingin ka dito. Are you sleeping already? Peekaboo, peekaboo. Ay, hindi kaya. So we're back! We're here at Clark and I'm still here selling my clothes. So come with us! Here's White Christmas. Yung kaninang nasa video ko. So you've seen my videos of us preparing for Christmas. We've been in the groceries, in Robinson, and everywhere else. So now is my break. And yung break ko is to earn pa rin because I'm going to Korea in a few days. But wait, let's prepare first. So, they bought my clothes! Thank you po! Okay, bye-bye!
I'm missing your vlog, my little sister.
Hi guys, so it's currently 10:25 and ito, ngayon pa lang kami kakain pero walang spoon and fork yung in-order namin. So I have to buy a Family Mart and I have to use my Starbucks card. So let's go! Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye! Yeah, it's really Christmas here. So, this is the Vlogmas day 1. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end it here, but I'm gonna end it here if I decide to. So, let's end it here because it has been a long day. So, let's go. Bye! See you tomorrow in my Vlogmas day 2.